Hello children, good morning. How are you? I am fine. I think you are all fine. I welcome one and all to my English class. Today we are going to learn a new poem in third term, third unit. The name of the poem Breezy Beach. It is in page number 108. What you taught you in last class? I taught the important common places, isn't it? Have you remembered? Where do you go and get your storybooks? Yes, very nice. We go to library. Where do you go and booking your train ticket? Yes, very nice. We go to the railway station. Very good. If you miss any valuable things, where do you go and inform about it? We go to the police station. Very nice. You remembered very well. Okay. Do you follow me? Okay. Now we are going to learn the new song. I think it makes you so pleasure. Now I am going to read the poem. You please listen carefully, okay? You catch my words and you catch my rhythm, okay? Cha 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 la 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 la. Breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep growing. Breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep growing. For it could start raining, Daya and his father go horse riding. Cha 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 la 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 la. The sea is so fast and blue, the waves come running to you. The sea is so vast and blue, the waves come running to you. He built a castle on the sand and decorated it with the sails in his hand. Cha 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 la 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 la. Cha 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 la 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 la. Do you like this one? Yes. Do you enjoy? Yes, I think you are all. Okay. Now I am going to sing the rhyme once again. You also join with me. Okay. Shall we start now? Okay. Cha 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 la 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 la. Cha 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 la 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 la. Breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep growing. Breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep growing. For it could start raining, Daya and his father go horse riding. The sea is so vast and blue, the waves come running to you. Built a castle on the sand and decorated it with the shells in his hand. Cha 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 la 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 la. Okay children, you have done well. You are also practice yourself by sitting in groups, okay? There are so many types of winds. Breezy is one among them. What is the meaning of breezy? Breezy means gentle wind. You see here the word called breeze. What is the meaning? Gentle wind. Breeze means gentle wind. Breeze means gentle wind. What is the meaning? Growing. Growing means increasing. What is the meaning of growing? Growing means increasing. Do you know the meaning of vast? Vast means big. Vast means big one. Do you know the meaning of decorated? What is the meaning of decorated? Yes, making attractive. What is the meaning of decorated? Making attractive. Very good. Do you know castle? Do you hear the word castle? So it is a new one for you. What is the meaning castle? Building, that is one type of building with strong walls. What is the meaning of castle? It is a one type of building with strong walls. Do you know cells? Have you ever seen? Hard object find in sand. Hard object find in sand. You see here, this is a doll, a Shiva divine doll. This doll is decorated with shells. You see here, these are all cells, a strong and hard object. You see, it is a very nice one. You see here, do you like this one? These are all called shells. The shells are a strong object. We can find it in the beach sand. Okay. Once again, we repeat the hard words. Shells, hard objects found in sand. Castle, building with strong walls. Decorated, making attractive. Vast, a big one. Vast, a big one. Growing, increasing. Growing, increasing. Breeze, gentle wind. Do you understand the hard words? Please, you understand and remember this meaning also. Okay. You underline the hard words in your book also. Okay. When does the breeze blow? The breeze blow in the morning. Okay. How are the clouds? What is the color of the clouds at the time? They are dark. Very good. They are dark. What is the meaning dark? Dark means black. So the black clouds gives rain, isn't it? So they noted the dark clouds are there, for it could start raining. Okay. Daya and his father, where did they go? Daya and his father, where do they go? They go for horse riding. They go for horse riding. Do you like horse riding? Yes, I also like. I think you are also very eager for the horse riding. Okay. Which one is so fast? The sea is so vast. What is the color of the blue? What is the color of the sea? Children, do you enjoy this rhyme? Yes, we are all enjoy this rhyme because of the rhythmic words. Because of the rhythmic words. Do you able to find out the rhythmic words here? Morning. Yes, very good. What is the next one? Growing. Yes. Well done. What is the next one? Raining. What is the pair 1, 2? Raining. Riding. Well done students. The next one, do you able to find out? Blue. What is the rhyming word for blue? You. Very good. What is the rhyming word for sand? Hand. Well done students. You enjoy the rhyme. I understand you. Once again, shall we repeat the rhyming words? Morning, growing, raining, riding, blue, you, sand, hand. Very good. Okay. Do you understand this poem? Okay. Now I am going to ask you simple questions whether you understand or not. Okay. Get ready, students. I am very eagerly waiting. Do you answer for that? When does the breezy wind blow? Yes. You think correct. It is in the morning time. Very good. What is the color of the cloud? Yes, very good. Dark. They are all dark clouds. Very good. Excellent. Daya and his father, where do they go? Daya and his father, where do they go? They go for a riding, horse riding. They go for a horse riding. Very good. What is the color of the sea? What is the color of the sea? It is blue. Excellent. What is the color of the sea? Blue. Is it vast? Is the sea is vast? Yes, the sea is so vast. Very good. Can you able to control the waves? Can you able to control the waves or stop the waves? Can you able? No, we can't able to stop the waves. They never ever end. Okay. Do you like to play with in the waves? Yes, we are all like to play in the waves. Okay. What do they build there? Daya and his father, what do they build there? A castle. Very good. What do they build there? A castle. How did he decorate it? How did he decorate the castle? He decorated the castle with the shells. Yes, very good. It is very interesting one for you. You very eagerly answering. I come to know this rhyme makes you so much pleasure. Okay, children. Today we enjoy this poem and learn about the rhyming words and also answer for simple questions. What is the breezy wind and what is the color of the clouds, isn't it? Which cloud gives us rain, isn't it? Okay. Please you write down the important words, underlined words in your notebook and write the meaning for all that. Okay. Next, you must practice this rhyme with your friends with a rhythmic way. Okay.